Hello and welcome to my channel. Greetings from a village in northern Serbia, which is ideal place for testing the new Xiaomi Youpin DYT-90 5-watt USB Mosquito Killer Lamp. But first, let's see what's in the package. This lamp is available on AliExpress for around $15 US. And apart from having mosquito lamp, it also has standard white light, so you can use it as a normal lamp. I chose this one from a big selection of Xiaomi mosquito lamps because, among other things, it has built-in battery and one charge should be enough for a whole night of operation. The lamp is well packed in a sturdy box, and with it you also get the charging cable but no adapter, and a small brush to clean the caught mosquitoes. Really nice design with the body containing the mosquito lamp made out of quality plastic, while the top sphere is standard white LED light. The controls are at the bottom. There are two touch buttons, one for toggling the mosquito lamp, the other for toggling the LED light. You need to touch and hold the button for a second before it reacts. While charging, the lamp displays the red light, and when it is completely charged, it lights green, which is quite convenient. There is also a covered micro USB port for charging, and on the bottom there is a convenient handle with a hook so you can hang the lamp. Now I'll turn the lamp on and leave it on for the better part of the evening, and we'll see what it caught in the morning. Since this is a small village, I have no doubts that there are a lot of mosquitoes around just waiting to get fried in our lamp. And after leaving it on for several hours, here is the result. As you can see, there were some dumb enough mosquitoes to get fried in our lamp. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.